Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I wanted to share with you guys a new unboxing video. It's actually gonna be one of 6 videos. I, back in March, bought 2 boxes from WiBargain. It's basically wholesale returns, that kind of thing. And I bought a Target clothing return and an Amazon clothing return. Came within days. They were each $35 plus tax. They were free shipping. And I really enjoyed what I got out of them. I pretty much was able to resell everything through Poshmark, which I have a Poshmark that I sell through. So either I keep the items or sell it. If it's a Target market that I don't like, I just give it away or donate it back to like Goodwill. Anyway, so this time I bought 6 boxes. I bought a Target clothing wholesale box, which has 12 pieces in it, which is exactly what I bought in the past in March. Those boxes are $35. They have Amazon ones, they have clothing, shoes, they have wholesale returns for premium return items, that kind of thing. Then I bought a WiBargain Pet limited edition box for $95. That is supposed to have 10 to 12 items that are pet related. I have not gotten any of these boxes except for the Target wholesale return box, which I paid $125 for. And that's the box that I opened it up, but I haven't looked inside yet to share with you guys. Anyway, then I also got a Bed Bath & Beyond wholesale box return for $125, an Amazon return wholesale box for $125, and it was a total of 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last box, which I'm so excited for, is the unclaimed mystery mail box for $95. That you get 10 to 12 pieces of mail that got like lost in the mail that you now can legally open because you're now the owner of these pieces, and I cannot wait. It could be just Amazon returns, it could be Target returns, it could be, I know I'm missing boxes out there. It could be one of those, but anyway, I'm so excited about that one. They ship. All the big boxes ship via FedEx. The only one that's UPS or United States Postal Service is the small Target wholesale return box, which is just the clothing box is like that big. So that comes by post box. The rest of it is free shipping. I don't know if I said this, but this is not a ad or sponsored in any way. I like this stuff, so I wanted to share with you guys. Anyway, so I have I ordered these things on Monday, and they shipped out the first box, and I got it today via FedEx. This is the Target Premium Wholesale Return Box. I paid $125 for it. Actually, that's not true. I had a 25% off coupon. So all this came to $600, and I got $150 off in discount. So I only paid $450 plus tax for all these boxes. So what I intend to do is after I open the box and do still photographs at the end and hopefully be able to tell you how much each item is valued to see if I made any money on this. And then as each box comes in, I will share it with you. Okay, so I already opened it with my trusty scissors because I didn't want to waste you guys' time. So I cannot see what's in there except for thank you for your business. Oh, and then if you want to do an unboxing, you can I guess show that thing and unbox for it. Oh, use code RETURN20 for $20 off your next order. So like if I were to order one of those $35 Target boxes, I would only have to pay $15 for it, which is something I probably would do. Okay, so the first thing here is a graduation. Oh, I think this goes here maybe? Yeah, congrats grad. So this is good for it's not just 2020 or 2021. So that's kind of cute, a graduation. Oh, you can put the photos there, that's kind of cute. So well, obviously it's a Target return, so this was bought at Target. So I don't know what the value of that is, but that's the first thing. I see some soft lines here, some towel, a towel. Okay, it's just randomly put in there. It's just a regular bath towel. I don't know what company it is. Opal House. So Opal House, which was one of their lines that they have. So it's just a towel. Oh, that's backwards. So it's just like a boho chic kind of towel. Not at all the kind of color that I like. This looks like a curtain. It's just oh my God, so this is a curtain from Threshold. It's not blackout or anything, but it's a curtain. One curtain, so that kind of sucks. Like what can you do with one curtain, one towel? So I'm not happy with that. Next item is, it says a wakeboard. It's in pretty bad shape though. It's like smashed. It's an RC wakeboard. So if there's not like a device in here to make it run. How does it run then? So, all right, my son maybe will figure this one out. Here's a cord. Oh, this is cute. A metal fan, I like that. That's cool. Ew, except for look at the cord. It's all gross. Okay, that would be nice to the next to the nightstand. Oh, this is fantastic. A dog harness. Doolin needs a dog. We had gotten her a little cactus cute one, and then now she obviously outgrew it because she's like 50 pounds now. So that's good. I like that. That's like 10, 20 bucks, I think, if you buy it new. Oh, and a leash. It's one of those double-handled leash. And it matches the thing pretty good. I don't know about this. This looks like a Nerf bullets. Maybe it's a, oh yeah, it's not used, but it's like a silicone, like for travel purposes, you know? Another cord for something, a random bucket. Oh, I'm not liking this box other than the ADV supply box. Sounds like there's something in here. Keys, so you can lock it. So it's just like a little lockable box. Oh, that's cute. My nephew loves sharks, so I can get rid of that. And it looks like maybe the last thing in here is a pillow. Just a large pillow. It's got a zippable thing on it. Yeah, I'm not digging this box. I like that pillow, but oh, there's one more thing. All right, the last thing is Princess Figural bag clip. So apparently there's some sort of Disney princess bag clip in here. All right, well that sucks. This is completely useless. I'm positive it's completely useless, but I'll let my son try to figure out something. I don't even know how to get a price on some of these things. I mean, that, maybe I can find out. This bucket, I mean, what the heck? This is Boots and Barkley. So this is, you know, good. This is whatever. I do like this as long as it works. I have a niece that likes princess stuff. This is useless, like what the heck? One curtain is useless. One towel isn't so much useless, but doesn't match anything in my house. So what are you gonna do with one towel? And then this graduation thing, which you just have to reattach the graduation part to it. So I don't know, whoever graduates next can have that. This pillow is nice. I think it's an outdoor kind of pillow though, and all my stuff is gray and this is very much tan. So that is it. That's a bummer. I bet you this stuff is not equal to $125. So that sucks. All right, well, when they ship out the other ones and they come in, I'll let you know. This was the first boxes. This came very, very fast. This came faster than any box I've ever gotten from them. So when I get other stuff in, I will share with you, but this wasn't good. This was a Target premium wholesale return box. So this is nothing is premium. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.